Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, November the 26th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, well, amid the fact that the Bitcoin has now reached another low at below $4,000 in value this weekend, a interesting story coming out of the state of Ohio that will actually accept that businesses pay their taxes with the cryptocurrency. So this is kind of an interesting side of things, and I don't know if it's a good idea with the fact that the Bitcoin changes value so much. Logitech seems to be in talks to buy Plantronics, and this is what we taught this weekend. Plantronics is a maker of headsets and headphones, and they apparently were in talks, and it would have been a deal of $2 billion. But nope, it seems that some more news coming out today saying that it's not going to go through. Well, a lot of people think that Linux, is no malware, it's never anything bad. Well, think again. A new cryptocurrency miner has been discovered, and it infects Linux machines, but it's actually very unique in another ways that the 1,000 line of codes in it basically not only tries to get some cryptocurrency mining, it also steals your password at the same time. Ain't that nice? And it affects, of course, Linux machines through fake software or, of course, downloads that are infected. Well, is it dead? Is it alive? We're not really sure, but it depends on who you ask. And basically, some leaks of the Microsoft Andromeda device are showing that apparently it would still be in the works, and that it even has some kind of intelligent way of using the camera to see where you are and send the sound to that speaker the closest to you. So of course, would we see this in 2019? Will that happen? It's kind of an interesting aspect that we're not really sure. Recent security survey of the internet shows that porn filters that are basically there to prevent adult content from showing up on your PC are technically not super good, and that most of the times, depending on the one you use, it could be from completely useless to just fairly doing whatever job it needs to do. And of course there are, and they say that there should be other ways of blocking porn. Google is making Russia angry. Russia has been asking the search engine to block some of the websites that they banned. And of course, Google has kind of worked in favor of doing it, but problem is, Russia says a lot of the banned websites are still online. And this is, of course, a cat and mouse game, because probably some of the banned sites actually change things to make sure that Google doesn't see it anymore and have it show up again. So what's faster, your cell data or your Wi-Fi data? And a lot of people think Wi-Fi is faster than the mobile internet. Well, a recent study that was conducted in 33 different countries seems to show that the majority of the time your cell data network is actually faster than your Wi-Fi at home. And this is an interesting outlook, and I kind of agree with it, because if I do speed tests here, I've noticed that on the speed tests that basically the cell data is much faster than my own internet. And if you're looking for a job for the future, it seems that in the next 5 years, one of the jobs that there will be a lot of demand is software development. Why not learn to code and learn to actually do some software, because apparently that's the future. And finally, projections for today, Cyber Monday, seem to show that sales will break an all-time record on the internet in a one-day shopping, with an estimated $7.8 billion in money spent just today. So this would be the biggest online shopping day in the US ever. And this was the Tech News Update for Monday, November the 26th, 2018. You enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.